Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus Property Management, here to show you guys 200 Ballou Street, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a first floor apartment, which features 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, as well as redone flooring and fresh paint. Before I begin the walkthrough, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you can view this walkthrough along with all of our other walkthroughs of properties, and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we're going to begin the walkthrough of 200 Ballou Street in the parlor. As you can see, the very nicely done reglazed hardwood flooring in the apartment, along with the freshly painted walls. These are features that are throughout the entire apartment. Over here is the oil heat radiator, which is also in every room, along with the nice bay windows outlooking onto the street. And over here is the side entrance to the apartment. Very nice. So you have 2 different entryways. And over here some extra space for possibly an entertainment system, sofa. Be creative, but whatever you'd like in here. And this does extend over here. Once again, the radiator over here. Freshly painted walls, and leads to the 3 bedrooms, bathroom, and kitchen. Very nice. So first we're going to make our way to the first bedroom. As you can see, it's a smaller size bedroom, but should be able to fit a standard size bed in here, along with some furniture. And over here is the nice, spacious closet space. Plenty of room in here. Should be able to fit as much as you can in here. And once again, you'll notice the reglazed flooring and the fresh paint. Very nice. I should mention that this apartment does come with coin-operated laundry in the basement, and pets are good to go with a monthly fee. Alright, next up is the second bedroom. Once again, smaller bedroom. Should be able to fit a standard size bed in here. Fresh paint and the radiator. Oil heat once again. Alright, the closet space for this bedroom is right here. A little smaller than the last one, but should do just the trick. Alright. Before I show you guys the third bedroom, I'd like to show you guys the kitchen. It's a smaller kitchen, but has plenty of cabinets in here for whatever needs necessary, along with some counter space, the large size refrigerator in here, as well as the gas-powered stove, and the double din stainless steel sink. Very nice. Some more cabinet space up above. And it's the only room that doesn't feature the hardwood flooring. Instead has a laminate flooring, but still has the freshly painted walls. Alright. Next up is the third bedroom. Once again, hardwood flooring. This bedroom a little bit bigger than the other 2. Should probably try for a standard size bed once again. The radiator over here. Freshly painted walls and redone flooring. And this one has the sliding door closet space. Very spacious in here. Very nice. And last but not least is the bathroom. The bathroom also does not feature the hardwood flooring. Instead has a nice redone tile flooring. Very nice. Looks brand new. Along with the tub and shower. And here's the sink. And of course, as you walk into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package, bringing you into the apartment. Alright. Once again, this is 200 Ballou Street, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. And I'd like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel to view this walkthrough and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you.